Hi, welcome Jyoti.
Hi,
So, congratulations on getting your new job.
thank you.
Yeah. So, would you like to tell us more? Like, how did you manifest this job? And you told me that you have started getting multiple offers also. So, just tell us a
Yes,
story.
yes, definitely. So I've been doing this course from September. I think it's been 3 to 4 months, and
Mm-hmm.
it has impacted me. This course has impacted me in a very positive way. Um, so when I joined this course, I didn't had a job. I had left my job because of some reason,
Mm-hmm.
and I didn't had job in my hand that time.
Oh.
And Post this course, I have been like you have trained me how to prepare for interviews
Mm-hmm.
and how to keep, my how to keep myself calm and be positive and manifest for interviews
Mm-hmm.
and how to build my network and grow my network, a professional network. So these all things have helped me prepare myself and for interview, and I've been receiving offers from 2 3 companies,
Okay.
and I have decided to join for TCS. I had offer from Buildesk and I have offer from TCS, so I have opt to go with TCS.
Okay, that's
So this
really
course
nice.
has really helped me.
So, earlier, like, you were not doing a job, and now you started getting multiple offers.
Yes.
Okay, that's really nice to hear. So I'm very glad that you achieved this, and thank you so much, because I know it has been a lot of hard work from your end also, because it's not that only I have done the hard work, so it's your hard work also, and it speaks a volume about you. Thank you so much for putting all the efforts, and all the best for your future. And I just want you
Thank
to
you.
grow leaps and bounds. And I know we don't want to discuss the package, but I know you have received a very good package offer, right?
Yes, it's
Hmm.
a healthy package. Yes.
Healthy package, right? So, how do you
Yes.
feel after getting that package? Do you think it's above your expectation?
Yes, it is and about the expectation what I had expected.
Hmm.
Um, and it feels nice because earlier uh, I had a feeling that I was being I cannot exactly say underpaid, but
Hmm.
now it feels good that 6 or 7 months earlier I was getting paid less, and now
Yeah.
after within a year, within
Hmm.
a time frame of a year, I am getting paid almost double. So yes, it's a nice
Wow.
feeling.
So you've got 100% hike. You were saying it's double, right?
Close to double, not exactly 100%, but close.
Around 70-80%.
Yes,
So it's a good achievement. I mean, that's really
yes.
nice, because usually people get 30, 40, 50%, right?
Hmm.
That's really amazing. I mean, you know what? Sometimes what happens is, of course, I'm a coach, I'm a teacher. I teach my students, but my students also, they surprise me, with the results. So I'm so happy and wish you all the best. And this is the best gift on your New Year's Eve. Thank you so much for putting all your hard work. Without you, also, it wouldn't have been possible. Thank you so much.
Now, also, I have come to believe that things happen for good reason. Like I said, I left the previous organization for some reason.
Yeah.
Didn't actually wanted to leave
Mm.
because I didn't had anything in hand
Mhm.
or some other plan
Mhm.
uh, career wise. So I didn't want it to left, and uh, I was feeling frustrated actually, being at
Um,
home and doing nothing.
yeah.
So yes, I have started to believe that things happen for good reason, and it will take me to a
New heights.
great, yes, life.
Mm. And do you see and feel a shift in yourself? Like, do you feel the Jyoti which started the course and the Jyoti which is now? Is there a huge difference? within these two versions of you?
There
Uh,
is. Definitely there is a difference. In fact, you can see me in my beginning sessions, and now even I can see, I can feel the difference.
mm,
Earlier, I was little cranky about the sessions when it would be scheduled, and now I enjoy the sessions now.
yeah, because earlier people used to push you, right? Go for it.
Yes,
And I used to
yes,
call you,
sit for the
come.
sessions.
Yeah, right. That's true. I mean, that's really nice. You know, when you start shifting your energy, you will start to see a lot of changes. And so it's like it's the inner shift that you have realized. Thank you so much for everything and for putting all your hard work. And I couldn't have expected a better gift than this on a New Year's Eve. Thank you so much, Jyoti. So I'll see you
Thank
soon.
you.
Yeah.
Thank you.